This is a real busy week on earnings season. We're getting a lot of big names, including ones you all know and watch. Not the FANG, other than Netflix, but a lot of big Dow components and S&P 500 companies are reporting, so let's get right into it. First one is one I don't think I've done before. Taiwan Semi. How could I have missed this one? Look at this chart. It's one of the best. The semiconductors have been really hot. I don't know why I haven't done it, but they did have a one miss, the first miss last quarter. It hasn't been enough to do anything to the stock. As you can see, it's at the new 5-year highs. But on the semi side, it's been real good reports so far. So this is one you want to watch this week. Then the second company is one that's not widely followed, but I do it every quarter, and it is one of my favorites. SnapOn, they have the perfect track record, as you can see, but since 2015, the shares have basically stalled out and not gone anywhere and even retreated a little bit. That means these shares are getting a little more cheaper, I would say. I'm not quite sure they're a value yet, but I'm keeping an eye on that on the value side of things. But this Wisconsin-based company is definitely one to watch if you're interested in what's going on with the economy, because they do keep beating. So I'm going to be checking in. Then we have PPG Industries. This is also on the industrial side and one of my favorites, but it too has stalled out the last couple of years. I feel like the multiple, the valuation here got a little stretched, and now investors have been kind of retreated to the sidelines to see what happens with actual earnings, which have been good and they've been beating, but I felt like the valuations were a little stretched here. But this will be a good one on the industrial side and the paint and the coating side to tune in to see what's happening. Then we have one of the biggest names on the street that everybody knows and loves on the medical side. This one, you're in it and you're owning it. You could see those two misses in 2014, 2015, but otherwise since then it's been all green and those shares have just been skyrocketing. So on the medical device side, this is definitely one that everybody is going to be watching this week, including me. And then we're going to have one of the spin-off ones. Yes, this is one of the cheater ones because they haven't missed since they were spun off in 2015, but I have covered them almost every quarter. eBay reported earlier this week, and now you get PayPal. As you can see there, the shares are super bullish. Can that maintain? I don't know, but it has been beating. So this has become one of the hotter tech-related type of stocks, along with SQ and some of these other online paying companies. So this is definitely one you're going to want to watch. It's one of the bigger names. So as you can see, things are heating up out there. There's a lot of good charts. I go through them every quarter to see who is still beating and to bring them to you, because it's not always the same every quarter, although a lot of these have really good track records. And remember, just because they beat last quarter doesn't mean they're going to this quarter, as we've seen with a few of these, like Taiwan Semi, who suddenly just happened to miss last quarter. Didn't hurt the shares though. And remember, just because it beats doesn't mean the shares are necessarily going to go up. It has to do with guidance and other things that the company is saying in the background, in addition to the earnings beat or miss. But I like the odds of these ones with the great track record, so I'll be bringing them to you all week long. Be sure to tune in.